Look at all that mud.
Oh my gosh. I went mudding one time and...
So wait, no, back up, because the first time we asked you, so when did you take this mudding? She's like, I've never gone mudding.
Oh,
what are you talking about?
No, I went mudding one time and I cracked my radiator, and ever since then I said, I'm never mudding ever again.
Evo, good.
Yeah.
At least go on the inside of the frame. We still have to strip a bunch of brackets off and everything on the front. But what's really cool is Evo does a locator hole. So basically you put this up against the frame, tighten your bolt up, and it holds the bracket to the frame where it needs to be. Done. You don't have to measure. You don't have to measure from this hole to this hole or anything else. And
Crazy teenagers running around everywhere.
yeah.
That was like stealth mode though. He like ran by like me.
So Evo does a bolt hole that locates everything to where it's no measuring, no nothing. It's just bolted in, done, welded on.
Yeah. Super awesome.
Super easy, nice install.
Worth the money for sure. Definitely worth the money.
Well, I wouldn't go that far, but it's spendy kit.
It is very spendy. And the reason we went with the bolt-on with the Evo kit was because I was going to do custom suspension. One, custom suspension is more expensive than a bolt-on Evo kit, I'll tell you that. But also the coils. So we have all of our coils here. These coils come with the kit. They have everything all ready, and you have to buy it as a kit. If I would have done custom suspension, I would have had to wait
months.
Well, I mean, I waited anyways, but...
Well, yeah, but that's on a builder, not so much parts.
Yeah.
But the cool thing about this kit is it's a complete kit. Like you get shocks, you get nuts and bolts, you get brake lines, you get...
It's like literally bolt on, weld and bolt on, and cut and grind and...
I know, cut, grind, get dirty, but...
And all the above.
it's going together.
Yeah.
It's a Jeep.
Yeah, it's coming. It's coming, guys, and I'm stoked. I'm super stoked. These guys are kicking butt today. They're kicking butt.
Somewhat. We're going slow.
Yeah, high five. Terrible high five. So here's the first official bracket on, and it's been welded and everything.
Minus the dirt.
Minus the dirt, yeah. They keep telling me, when did you go mudding, Chelsea? Your frame's full of dirt. Probably weighs 300 pounds.
Oh, no, wait. I will show you guys. Come with me.
Story time.
Passenger side's worse.
Oh no. Oh no. What do we have here?
Do you not see all that mud?
No.
Look how thick that is. That is solid.
Oh my gosh. Yep.
Where's Jet? Come back here. Mud.
Mud.
Thick, nasty, solid mud.
Oh man. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. No mudding allowed. The amount of dirt and mud that has fallen off of my Jeep is ridiculous. Straight up ridiculous. We're just tired.
Roll the dice.
Yes. All right. It's little, but this is what connects it to everything. Hey!
Oh, you got a
I got a
sticker.
sticker! Let's see. What is it? Oh, I got 2 stickers!
I spent 3.
Someone online was like, oh shoot, we're actually gonna get her lockers.
We have, what, 3 days to build this whole Jeep. So it's crunch time. It's already almost 10 o'clock, and Chris got in late from the airport last night, so we let him sleep in. We want him to be energized. He's got some caffeine going through his system. I've got some caffeine going through my system. I'm pretty sure TJ does too. So we're gonna try and bust this out. 3 days to get it done. What do you guys think? Think we're gonna be able to do it?
Cut
Cut.
and come here.
Yep.
How long does it take to make it?
I mean, we could probably bust it out in like half hour.
Oh, shut up. What? That's crazy.
I told you.
Dang.
I mean, we're pretty good at our job, so.
Yeah. That's crazy. Okay, cool. It's a switch plate. So, come here. So this little piece replaces that right there. Can you see it?
Oh,
So that it goes, you take that slot out and it goes in there. Instead of, I've seen some people, they have one that goes right here that has the buttons on it,
yeah,
but you have to replace this whole thing.
that's cool.
So this goes right there.
That is so
It's
cool.
another spot.
Oh my gosh.
And you have all of these or whatever, and you can change the lights on here to orange.
Taking this steering pump out, this electric steering pump, and putting in a PSC pump. So yeah, it's got a bunch of fluid lines that got to come off, electrical lines. So yeah, just trying to get all the PSC stuff, all the stock stuff out, so we stick the PSC stuff back in.
Chris said, go look at the welds, Chelsea. Go look, go look. Let's see. Oh yeah, butter, baby. Check those out. Sweet. Chris goes, I welded that one upside down. Good upside down welding. Good job.
Have to come off these brackets, the old coil buckets, the old shock towers. So we basically got to cut really close to the frame for the new bracketry. And so all this stuff has to be moved out of the way so we don't accidentally cut something, because that would suck. I'm not a good wiring person, so yeah, if we nipped those are all factory, and it would just cause a big problem. So yeah, just get everything out of the way so when the grinder's up against it, it doesn't screw anything up.
We're burning the midnight oil. It's not even midnight yet. But yeah, these guys are killing it. They're doing amazing. Okay, here. Yeah, I did 6 inches.
Whoa.
Whoa! You have been lied to your whole life. Holy cow!
Well, someone's getting.
I
Someone's getting a reality check.
I'm like 1.5 inches.
If that's 6 inches, hey, you know, it's great, whatever.
Dude, that's every guy's dream. That is 6 inches, dude. Wow.
No wonder why people are out there like, that's 6 inches. Like, she said it was.
We need to get a ruler out and be sure to measure it from like. Okay.
Cut.
Gosh, you guys, it's late. Can you tell it's late? The jokes are happening. The bad jokes. Got it all cut off. All 6 inches of it. Now he's grinding it.
Yeah, we were debating on how big 6 inches was out here. The grind was like that big. And yeah, that was a small 6 inches.
Look at Lisa's face.
Lisa's like, what are you talking about? What did I walk into? What did I walk into? Puzzle piece.
Chelsea got me a new one.
So we actually have to cut that out. All right, guys, it is officially midnight. I think the day kind of ended off on a good note. We had lots of laughs. We had some good times, right? But check this out. Look what we've got all mocked up and ready almost to weld tomorrow. Still have to cut this out for the bump stop.
French that in.
Yep, get it in there and then weld everything in.
Grinding.
Lots of grinding. Lots of grinding today. Yeah.
Everything's smooth, everything's cut out. The rear went really good. That's all done and welded in. The game plan is to get the other side like this. And then we can cut those inside brackets off, but we have to pull the exhaust. And then once we get everything cleaned and I'll weld the towers in, then we can mock the axles in place and then see where everything goes. And then burn everything in on the axles, and then we can paint tomorrow night and let it dry. So then
For Sunday.
Sunday would be assembly.
So basically,
She want me to lock it down, but I told her to pass the key. You gotta slow it down, girl, you moving too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me if I can slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. Baby, don't try it, just stop it. You should know that I got options. I be fly like I live in the cockpit, mess around with